Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Catia v5. It's been a really long time since I've uploaded any videos. The past few months I've been working on some projects and figuring out what to give you guys back. So from today I'm going to start this Catia v5 assembly modeling, and in this tutorial I will show you I will give a basic intro of assembly modeling. So basically the Catia assembly modeling is a feature where you can assemble the different parts into a complete product. So here in Catia we have two options to open the assembly design. So we're gonna take the look at the first method. So as you can see, I'm in the Catia v5 window. So the first method to invoke the assembly is to go to file and then click on new, and then you can see the list of types here. So from that, just select one of the product and click OK. So this is the assembly modeling window in Catia v5. Very simple, very easy. And I'll just close this for a second. And the second method to invoke the assembly is to go to start, go to mechanical design, and go to assembly design. So this is the second method. As you can see, both the methods will take you to the same assembly window, and you can take any of the methods as per your wish. I like the start method more. I don't know why. Just go on start, mechanical, and assembly, and the other method is file, new, and select from here product. So this is pretty much the intro of assembly modeling. In the next video, where I'll show you the top down and bottom up approach for the assembly. And this is it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Peace. Thanks.